Starters on your screens for both Ateneo and UST, and Ateneo has all season long is playing around with their starting six. At one point started and then actually off the bench as he started the season, then started, and then off the bench again, and now starting, you know.
He's trying to look for the perfect six to start things off.
And this is the same thing at the start. Then the injury to Ana Domingos, so Tajima saw some more time, and Ariel Muhammad, as we mentioned. Then there is UST and Jose Abacumenza. And we always say that the most consistent so far this year has always been Patrick Espinosa. So really need support from a more consistent 2-9. Ria Meneses, Jesse De Leon, who as of late has also found a little bit of offensive rhythm, has been a little stronger in her attacks, but they need it more than ever today and maybe against Adams in the next match.
That's right. Pero ngayon na, talagang game at hand because if they lose this one, wala na rin naman.
And of course, si Jim Gutierrez din.
Yes. Ano talagang collective effort from the Spikers. Right. Espinosa with that down the line in.
So yan, maasahan yan. Dami na ng Espinosa. Pagka ginalas na lang, malas na lang talaga. But I really think she has.
And sometimes because maraming offenses talagang sa kanya, no? So, kasi defense na kalaban madalas kay Espinosa.
Okay, puntahan natin ang ating third member of our broadcast team, Selena Deglan.
Yes, they had heard that the bomb test occurred in Ateneo earlier, which caused all students to evacuate from campus and also caused a tremendous traffic in Katipunan. This is the reason why the girls came in a bit late into the arena today, definitely putting their pre-game rituals shorter than they usually have. Either way, the girls remain on pace and undisturbed after determined to give today their full-on effort, especially since they believe these final matches in round 2 are good practice for the more challenging games up ahead. Also today, Coach Shah expressed his interest in rotating his players and including some of the less utilized ones to give them more experience and prepare his entire roster for the Final Four. It's also interesting to note that Coach Cheryl will be present with us today. She is on her way, so that greatly improves the communication lines. And also, Marciano is given a lot better and actually joining the girls in today's game that won't work. So this will make the girls a lot more confident coming into the game. Ruben Muzi.
A news report, a traffic update, and sports update from Selena Deglan.
Pero nakakatakot rin kasi ngayon.
Yes, of course, serious matters.
In fact, si Selena was really stopping that traffic. So, those that talaga na hindi pa siya late, but then, you know, natakot din siya na bakbalik siya in yun, so experience a little bit of that.
Hanggang 25 lang
Just like
ito.
us in Sunset athletes, when you don't come to the venue in your usual time, it kind of screws with your, as she said, ritual or superstitious kind of superstitions or whatever routine you have.
Can you imagine when you make it sa pang-pong? Ayan.
It's not no joke. No audition yan kasi
Pwede.
okay, pakinggan naman natin sa kabila. Crystal Bachelor. Crystal, go ahead.
Well, yes, and the hard to play the game. These are two of the things Team Captain Lauren Bentin wants to see from the Tigers as today, considering how crucial this match is. You said Coach Ovi has been constantly reminding them that every game is a blessing, so it's a must to play with all their best. Also, UST. That's why I find them like emotion.
Outside the quarters, on the ball, as always, here in this broadcast. Well, we are at 5-4, state of errors on the reception side for UST. 6-1
May level naman.
after the
3-1.
for the Tigers.
15-16. 17.
Now you have the two top players of each team. Meneses on the UST side and Patron on the other
Ito
side.
doon na
And this second delayed by the block.
Ah,
Ball Morente. Good reflexes. Ball on the side. More touches. UST. Morente shaping it up in the last second. And Coach Ty comes up with a smile.
That's a smart move by Morente.
And hindi na maghihintay ng technical timeout si Coach Ochi.
Ayaw ko isibol eh. Mabagay yung bola. Butot! Ikaw ang mayon sa receiving. Ha? Loren, wala sa tole kung hinahabol mo kay Tia. Okay? Wag wala sa bato eh. Opposite setting tayo. Ikaw naman, hirap mo. Wala rin mo karapat. Stop it na lang muna na lumagpas ng talo. Magkakapitan meron player.
Kali ba FPA
Pero
ba? Hindi.
Volleyball 1
Kali FPA hindi.
Kasi basically, magkakala yung blocker pag lumusok sa gitna ng blockers yun. Normally, kasi you have your, diba, yung middle blocker mo, yun yung halos nagdidictate kung ano dapat yung distance. Saan pumunta? At sumusunod lang naman talaga yung kabila ng isa pang blocker. No? So, I think that ano kayo pagdatingin kayo so that yung kung ano na lagpas or may butas na magkakaroon.
So, a service error. Gia Morado. Point for UST. Morente, who likes coming from the outside. She's one of those attackers who really kind of circles
Yes.
the launching pad.
And yung palahay mo yung approach.
I really think she has a very bright future for Ateneo, just like I think Jimenez
Meron may 16.
not the same, but
Yes,
more
that's the same position.
yes. Bright future. Also, Jem Gutierrez.
Ganda na rin yung tatanong niya. Pero
By
bago.
the way, UST, Ozzy, has been targeting Michelle Morente. And Morente has come up with a couple of service receiving error traffic. 7-0. Ano naman, lumpas ng bagya. But still, tough reception there. So, free ball for UST. Morente opens up. Stimosa.
Exactly what Coach Oji said in that time round. Once the team get area on the paint, iba to dun sa open.
So, after 7-4, Martin Ateneo, 4 straight points for the
Ano sa ito? Ganda. Box mo.
Coach Oji, yan niya. In fact, binili niya. Yun yung nangyari dun in that last play. Lastimosa on that movement hit.
Best season for Lastimosa so far, regardless of the team standing. From an individual standpoint, though, I think it was the best season. Morente, check. Blocking of UST has been working. Ozzy talked about that at the start of the coverage. Eliza,
Wala, sayang.
sit back, another chance for Ateneo. Then,
Pang.
Baba and Eliza still went for it. Goes into the net.
try London securing the third spot. 5th straight year that Ateneo has entered the Final Four. The first time was, of course, the last year of Coach Chan.
Parang kailan
Now,
5 years na pala.
while itong UST naman,
Ang galing mo.
Isa na yung bugpis na tayo ng bar.
medyo last year, masaklap na yun para sa
Lana.
kanila. Mosey, they're in danger again. And we all know the tradition, especially in the sport of volleyball, for UST.
And they are trying to salvage whatever's left during the season.
Bakit ganun? Pag may underscore yung ano? Ha? Ano meron pag may underscore yung
Stimosa.
Ano underscore? Yung short.
Up. Jesus.
Underscore.
Norman
Yung shirt.
reacting.
Short.
Back set. Morente.
Shirt.
Good defense by UST so far. Duna. Dente. Off to Michelle. Through the block. Over the ball.
Playable.
Morado. Morente. Sent back by Meneses. Isa pa. Jesus naman. Longest rally of the match. Gutierrez and Dusaran hesitated because parang di sinabi si Gutierrez eh.
That's right.
No?
Pero si Tusana, nandun na siya almost committed. Kumitaw last second eh. Nandun na siya eh.
Ilan siya eh. Ilan siya kay Jeff.
But that was a long rally and I like the way they read each other, bro.
Coach Oji napatayo, napatingin kay Jeff. Doesn't look too good.
Well, in that last play, you can see the Jeff was already looking at Coach Oji even before bumaksak yung bola. So, you don't want that. That is, I mean, very unfocused ka nun when you see that.
Tunay.
Oh,
What a great cross-court attack by Mela Tunay. I'm interested to see how she plays the game, Oji.
that's right. Because, again, she has the
Wala,
factor. That is the reality. They need her points. Kailangan din mo yung points ni Ria, ni Gutierrez. It has to be a collective effort for UST.
They can't come up with 3 points like that, give away 3 points like that. 11-0. 11-10 rather for Ateneo. Panoman serving. 5 on previous years. So it's an action winding round. The elimination round of UAP Season 7. Volleyball tournament. Ang bilis! 52 matches.
Well, the Rico and I were talking about it. Bakit parang sabi namin ang bilis na UAP? But, ang bilis na.
Kabla tayo sa 1-6.
Boom! Needs ko pa eh.
Ball. Antonio getting that point.
She was there. It was there. Was straight to
Pala
her.
technique nun.
Just
Samukhang
couldn't
grupa
pop
namin.
it right back up. Lumipat si Morente.
Bakit naisip? Let's see. May mga targets yan eh.
Right.
And that's how it should be. Hindi na para for balls. Yeah. Carmela Tunay, long one from the attack.
Back to a 2-point lead. Aulino now. Front.
Kung nakaayos yung mga, maganda rin yung mga.
Good serve. Good receive. Open to Gutierrez.
Kung alam pag ginawa
Sa
ka ng
table.
braso yun,
Pick up.
hindi ba? Tigasin
After
mo.
the underhand set
Ginawa ka to, tigas.
of, I think that was Denden, right?
Yes, coming from Denden. And that was a difficult set because
Walk
hindi siya
it sa
halos
kabila.
nakatalikod si
Wala.
Denden, giving it to the open hitter kasi Alidesus.
Comedy yun.
Morentes serving again and she's been targeting Tunay. Kaya siya lumipat.
Yun ang gusto niya. Cross-court kay Tunay and ang tama naman on that last set at last serve.
Yung paano niya doon?
15-11.
Para si
Still battle
Kuroko.
again here. Dantin, mabilis kanya ngayon. Backing by UST. Morado, back row.
Boom! Ano, si Bagdis yung boy? Yung huli mo.
Flying for that one and she gets the point.
Pala din yan.
Second technical timeout. Ateneo ahead by 5.
Even the best players.
So we are at 60-11.
Siyam na lang.
Morente on the line to serve. Let's see kung same target. Carmela Tunay pa rin ba? And doon nga talaga.
Yep.
One.
Morente sends it back.
1, 2,
Jesus again. Check.
That's a check. Yes.
check it.
And no one from
Pagtaas,
US even attempting to go to that second ball.
Yung palo mo, pinipilit mong padaanin dun kay Ella, kaya lang tumatama pa rin sa center. Dapat ayaw mo dalhin sa cross.
Hindi ko maglaro.
Natin, ang kulit mo naman eh. Mag-compensate sila. Pupo kayo. Girls, follow naman tayo doon sa game plan natin. Ilagay tayo naman natin to. Magtiwala na kayo sa sarili nyo. Huwag kayo umasa sa kasama nyo.
O kaya mag-volleyball. Diba naman kaya silang lahat?
Namagana sa atin ang ating abante, pinakamalaking abante for either team here. Kanina pa nasa service deck.
Right. And very effective. She has a target in Carmela Tunay. Dahil mukhang ito, talagang string of points.
No, finally. Then Gutierrez, good for her confidence, Ozzy. To get something going.
That kind of faded the blockers of Ateneos. You see this open hit once again.
Through the block, powered as Tunay serves 12 to 17.
Too much angle on that hit by Valdez.
That's 13 serving 17.
Oh, nice serve.
Pomiro off speed. Battle at the net. Will go to the nail because of a touch.
Net violation once again. I think that's her second in this set alone. Let's take a look at that. And yes, it's a net violation on Lantin.
Hindi napigilan.
Nilinaw ng mata ng ano.
Saran, solid play so far for UST. Morado. Takes Eliza.
Eliza Valdez with an off the block hit. And I also like the aggressiveness of Benden at the start of this game.
And she looks a little healthier than in the last 2 or 3 games when she had suffered the injury. Although, as I said, Denden's like banked up really as a libero right now. But she's moving a little better.
Right. And she's reading the both of UST well.
Ready to sail out. So it's a 6-point lead again.
So Cortez coming in for Gutierrez.
Ano yan?
At sinusunod yan.
Oh.
Second referee natin. They're strict about it.
Kailangan ng beyond the attack line.
So it's 20 serving 13. Remember, these are international referees. So
Pwede.
go out. Check ball. So Ateneo, if you missed it, our team standings, we have secured the third spot no matter what happens. But that doesn't mean we're going to take it easy now. Alam mo, dapat nga yan. Nandito si Coach Tai, reintegrate everything. Get ready for the tougher matches ahead because for them to go deeper if they want to against the NUs and the LaSalle. Kahit paano, puto sa parating pa rin.
You also want the momentum, di ba? Yung winning momentum mo coming into the Final Four.
Tinatawag natin sa sports na competitive edge going into the next round. Let me ask you, Mosey, are teams rooting for National University? Not because of the team per se, but because of so that there will be a Final Four which might increase the chances of some teams.
Well, definitely yung other teams are really rooting for, especially yung mga pwede pang mag-Final Four. They're all rooting for NU para mas madali. Because as you know, if it's a step-ladder format, then secure na yung first final slot na kasal. So it will be harder for sino man will be up against them because parang halos tries to beat, right? So, mahirap talaga yun.
Last two. Tawa-tawa pa siya.
23-15 all
Last two, ba't last two?
Nag-indicate lang. First set pa.
But, remember, the first meeting,
Yun pa eh. I'm sure Ateneo would like to gauge where they are right now. Because remember, in the first round, 5 sets, no?
good point.
Yung nabubungi.
Wala.
Sabi nga nila, sa dulo ng second round, in whatever sport in the UAE, doon mo dapat na sineseparate yung sarili from great teams, the good teams, and the so-so teams. Hindi ni Tunay, umangat kay Lastimosa. Kinuha ni Morente. Morado dives for it. And it's no gravel. Morado back there. Lastimosa going for the disguise. That is in. The blocking of Meneses. The din was there.
This commitment and blocking will really help them a lot. Let's talk about UST.
Block of the set, at the 97.5% feminine watch for red days. It's better to be protected. Pagtungan for the running.
Is timing that one, so UST gets that point.
Which highlights the fact that it's not easy to execute something like that. It looks easy on TV, but the timing at yung amuyan, napaka-importante.
What ball? What na? Safety, ha? Safety.
Ano yan?
What ball? What ball? What the? Ha? Strong. One more point. 4. Ha?
Ano?
When you spiking, leap over. Thinking dog. Ha?
In some countries, when they in volleyball, when they say safety, that also means coverage.
Yes.
In some other countries, no, alam mo naman, kanya-kanya
Tuloy-tuloy lang isang set.
Volleyball they go. And
Ang isang oras.
tama naman si Coach Lai, kailangan nandun palagi yung coverage because nagsulat si Eliza. When she gets
Depende sa
blocked,
palitan eh.
returning.
Yan, yan yung sabi ko ganda.
Wait,
Lian,
and she will get
pinilitan.
blocked no matter how
Pinalitan niya.
good she is. And by the way,
Yeah.
speaking of being good, she's
Wala
down
yung libero.
the second
Ito,
best scorer of the league.
libero.
Libero ng ano.
Ito, ayun o, yung kadlo.
Sheila Pineda. That Pineda has come on like a
Grabe,
a freight train. Parang nagpapaalam sa UAP ng huling
With the back. Tama-tama yung pangalan. With the back. And
It is a joy.
imagine, no? Back Pineda over Eliza Valdez, over Dindin Santiago.
Right.
Grabe lang eh.
Adamson po ay makakatapat ng USC sa susunod na laban. Kung may bearing yan o hindi, ay depende po sa kalangan. For speeding, bakit natin, nanalo po Ateneo, first set, nanalo po UST second set, Ateneo sa third, UST sa
Pangit
fourth,
yun eh.
Ateneo sa fifth. So, we'll see. It's always entertaining to watch,
Sabi mo ganda eh.
UST matches. Ateneo, Adamson, we're looking forward to Lasal National University, UP.
Basta pinakagusto ko dito yung ano
What
libero.
happens?
Grabe.
Ganda naman.
Kaya nagkapag-asa UST, di ba?
Pinakadegdeg lang.
UP beat the FEU.
Si Valdez
Of
mga
course,
lalaki.
Remy Pamales
Yes, 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 yes.
But I'm sure not to take anything away from UP because they really played so great in that game against FEU.
And I will repeat what I
Ito
said.
maganda.
I think it was the second game or third game of the season when an unnamed UAP official, an official that shall not be named, told me that UP will win more than 2 this year. Itaga mo yan, boom, sabi niya sa akin. Because he really felt that they were capable of upsetting one team. Hindi niya lang masabi kung sino. Pero they were capable of yun ang nangyari. More than 50. May pag-asa pa sila ngayon.
Babae,
Because they're still
Paul.
going to be QE.
Pero ang lakas
Okay,
yan.
balik tayo dito sa ating tawag. Balik tayo kay Selena Dagdag.
Yes,
Fun.
Mosey coming into the second set, Coach Nat wants the girls to focus on their roles, particularly when it comes to their transition. In fact, he encourages the girls to go back to their roles upon hitting and receiving the ball. Now, Coach Nat also encourages something he calls counting when it comes to jumping for their blocks in order to synchronize the timing and efficiency
Yung sa
of the
Chelsea
blockers.
step.
Bukod dito,
Saan
nagkakayunan sila ng
6-3?
play na yung mga sarili nilang errors,
Saan
yung
sila?
talagang nagiging
NU.
pumapatay sa kanilang momentum. Kaya naman they reminded one another to focus more in order to eliminate the
Ayun pala yung
unnecessary.
champion, NU. Nalaban nila tumatin ni Adamson.
3-1. Good start for your team here in the second set. The Betadine block of the set. Betadine 7.5% feminine wash for red days. It's better to be protected.
It was really hard for Ria Meneses. It was tandem of Panomo and Eliza Valdez blocking her. So kailangan dyan yung setter. Iiwas mo na eh. Should really read the blockers on the other side.
Serving 3 in the 52nd match of the game. Just a quick note, again, Mosey, since we touched on UP and one more game for them and all that, Of course, it is also a chance for UE to break their losing streak.
That's right.
That's their only chance. So they have to make the most out of it.
Para hindi naman, di ba, mag-end yung season with a 0.
Naman sa UP, yan ang pagkakataon nila na makatatlong panalo. Which is a big deal. And it's, I'll only say this, I'll say this again about UP. The team standing doesn't reflect how they played this season.
Pero for UP has a lot of new players in their lineup. It ends again with a defensive error on the USD side. Alam mo, there are so many hesitations on the side of the USD.
That is the word.
Ano ang pinakamatagal? Service.
Tingin nangyayari.
That's the word.
Tuloy-tuloy.
It's too many.
Tentative, ano?
Oo eh, tentative sila dun sa defense.
Alam ko, wala
Kaya natin kanina sa timeout sila
Time change.
mga nawang asahan.
sa apat na years.
Ranking ni Castimosa at ni Meneses at abante ng tatlo ang Ateneo. 5 will be serving 2. Mitsubishi Mirage G4, great play. Mitsubishi Mirage G4 expect more from the small sedan.
Hiwalay na naman eh, yung blockers ng UST.
And Busara has been giving them great first balls, Mosey.
Sayang, yes. So, yung center talaga should really read yung depensa sa net eh, ng kalaban to make your, yung wag naman to make your spikers look bad, di ba? Or mahirapan.
Grabe, the center has the ability to make his spikers look good and look bad every now and then. Of course, unintentionally. And there again, a little bit of confusion and kukumpulan dun sa gitna. The UST Pamela Lastimosa trying to get them all together and recompose themselves. This lead has gone up to 5.
Yung composure eh, nawawala talaga. And in fact, dun mo makikita yung indecisive, di ba? So, they have to get their groove back.
And Mosey, a great block there by Pam. We've been talking about this all season long, really. Leadership for UST. Who has the baton? Who will really be the leader? That has been the question all season long, especially in tight moments or moments of adversity. Because the coach can do everything from the sideline.
Once they're inside, it's really their game.
They're finding a gap again in between the blockers, which brings us to 8-3. Ateneo in the lead. Back in a moment.
This program is brought to you.
UST should be careful with their blocking. Because ang ganda na yun. Yung commitment is there. Pero sayang kasi kung talon ka lang ng talon, wala ka naman target or yung kumbaga you're just playing. Wala, sayang yung effort.
Hindi mo nang magsalit. Kaya araw, makagaling lang magsalit. Pag pinasal kami, parang lumamit.
Serving 3 now. 2-9. Pacoma reacting well. Free ball though, Meneses. Coverage is there. Jesus asking for it. Tumitin pa ng Corte. Cortez. Easily taken by Morado. Morente. Babysitting.
He's getting it from a very sharp angle. So, ang hirap din. Halos dapat yun safe na lang or over ball na lang. Easy over.
For serving 8. Lazaro in ni hatid yung bola. And she's there for coverage. Natamaan pa sa tenga. Si Eliza Valdez. Cortez. Sent back. Check ball. Point for UST.
That's right. Good feed there by Pam Lastimosa. Letting that ball go. Napakalapit ng sa linya.
Setback. Ibinigay, back row. Lazaro has been doing a lot. Oh, wow. Best attack so far for anybody from UST.
That's right. Carmela Tunay on the open hit. Look at her drill this one in.
That was the word. She drilled this one in between the block. Mitsubishi Mirage G4, great play. Mitsubishi Mirage G4, expect more from the small sedan. Pakibalita muna tayo kay Christel Bachelor.
Magtiwala kayo sa mga kasama ninyo, pero huwag niyo silang aasahan dahil mag-iba ang dalawang bagay na iyon. Those were the words of Coach Oji Naman and the model, inculcating into the minds of the Tigresses the importance of teamwork, but the greater importance of knowing their individual responsibilities. For this set, Coach Oji pleaded the girls to please don't stray away from their game plan, take note on their coverage, and to execute more loaded serves. Coach is quite disappointed that he still needs to remind the girls the basics they should have known by now, but just hopes that the Tigresses repeat themselves for the remaining sets. Lastly, Coach signaled down to Pia Meneses na nakakapin niya maasipan niya para sa set na ito.
Hindi na naman, Mozi, sinasabi mo, volleyball 101. Sinasama niya ito. Coach Oji na kailangan pa niyang balikan niya.
Oo ganun talaga pag it's like you're losing everything. Parang napaka-basic na nung mga mali. So you just have to go back to yun, basics, di ba? Wala ganun talaga. But again, sabi nga ni Christel, si Ria Meneses, sinabihan ni Coach, because once again, it's about offense.
Right.
Kailangan mag-doble kayod itong si Ria.
Jessie De Leon. I said earlier, second round, I really think she's played a little better. And when I say that, it might not be the numbers, but I think she's getting a little more strength. The timing of her attacks are getting better. That very small frame of hers.
Parang siguro yung seeded, yung better execution dun sa mga attacks niya. But, well, today, they will be yung points talaga.
Great. Again, great defense by Desai. She held her own on that combination play of Ateneo.
Actually, both liberos are working so hard in this game.
That's right.
Oo, diba?
That's right.
Makikita mo pareho sila What a cross-court hit by Eliza Mendez.
We saw that. It's right in front of us, Moses. Right at the back of Eliza. She angles it and just finds the spot. Not even full strength. Just right. Lazaro was there. Quickly to Amuro. That's a great decision.
Again, look at this. Simula niya, there was only one blocker. Taking that away.
Gia Morado making them look good.
Hindi mo pwedeng ibigay yung weaker kay Jessie kasi tutulo agad siya papunta kay Eliza. Matabi agad kukunin niya yung pwesto na ito. Okay, ngayon, nakapwesto yung blocker natin. Ba't pumasok ka sa likod ng block? Na inaabangan mo yung mahinang bola? Ito usapan natin kanina. Kasarado natin down the line, ako kumalo ng cross-court. Wala parang
Backs are against the wall. If USD, remember, the only way they can make the Final Four, as Mosi mentioned in the pregame, they have to win their games and pray. Yes, that's step number 2. Actually, step number 1 yun.
And FPU and Adamson.
So 3 steps. They pray. Number 2, they win. And pray that FPU and Adamson lose.
Parang pinamukha natin napakahirap na gagawin.
Mahirap kasi. And up to the Mosi, there's nobody else to play.
Yes.
You put yourself in that position. So you have to get yourself out of it.
Well, in fact, nagkaroon pa nga ng konting buhay. Dapat wala na. Lalo yung FPU.
I'm sure most of them woke up with the feeling that, you know, the chances of you pulling off an upset is sigurado, very low.
Isip na pinashin niya nga yung position sa standing.
And FPU has been playing well also. So, tabuhayan sila. And it's now up to them to make something out of that. That's what she said.
Sideways hitting that one, and then still USD not able to read that.
Morado wanted to set it, Mosi. Sabi niya, agawin ko na.
Getting it sideways, kaya nagulat din ng USD.
And she apologizes also. Coach Tai. She got lucky there. Goes to the net.
Well, release pa lang yung ball. It was a bit low already.
5-point lead though. Cabanos 10. Serving 15. Mahirap.
Yes. Sharp angle. Got set by Morado. Liza Valdez trying to go for a cut shot. Yun na lang kasi naman yung highway na pwede ng daanan. Hindi nga highway Esquinita na pwede ng daanan. So, goes wide for Eliza.
So, the servicer gets Fidel to the second technical time. Back in the moment.
No? Anong Brazil?
That one will be live at 2 p.m. The UP-USD 10 a.m. match will be at 4 p.m. On ABS-CBN Sports in Action. The defending champion out.
Kaya nga, because I think there were a lot of injuries sa Ateneo.
He got eliminated also after a hot start.
Boom!
They won the first 3 matches and did not win since. So, tanggal din sila. So, yun po yung apat na titira. We wind down, second semester sports. Ng ating AAP. Gatorade Fueled Spike the game winner from within. Second semester sports.
Tinanggal ng Brazil. Nakapagdala yung Brazil.
Ba't yung naalala ko ba?
17-11, hinapon ni Morado, ibinigay kay Gates, ibinalik.
Iba din natin sa Brazil.
Have your blocking, you're always committed for the block. Results happened. That time, Eliza Valdez blocked.
Nakapagdala yung Brazil.
USC getting that point.
Lastimosa serving 12-17. Some good reception by De Jesus, even if she got that sideways. Nahatid yung bola kay Morado, which was enough to get Morente a good set. And look at Coach Tai coaching her how to approach that ball.
Sa last
Zero na.
Arm
Yung
form,
swing, yung swing ng arm. Importante kasi yun eh.
At saka yun naman ang rason ba't nila dinala rin si Coach Tai dito, di ba? Initially, skills coach parang nung training, ano?
First nga, di ba, we saw them na parang, ang ganda ng physique.
Physique.
Di ba? Conditioning na niya.
Speaking of, probably the most evident of them all would be Jesus. And she gets that through the block. Enough power. Cortez and Vanessa, hiwalay na naman, Bossy.
Pag-higit sila, na-block nila si Eliza. Pag-hiwalay sila, ayan, nakakalusot si De Jesus.
Sayang kasi nandun sila eh, no?
Yun nga eh, sayang, di ba? Because yun din eh, you went for the jump. Nag-effort ka na rin lang.
Okay, free ball for USC. Let's see what they do. Romanos chooses Meneses. Morado was there.
Easy taking for Morado.
Again.
Hindi pa yan din. Huwag mo yung position na yun.
Parang ano eh, she's trying to play it
Malas.
safe. But instead, yan eh, yun naman, kamalit na
Dati
yung
wala
race.
akong ganito. Sabi nga ganito. Parang tawa.
Wala akong
13 for USC. Morente.
Now she goes for it.
And it's off, check. Again.
Si Coach Tai, nagkakaroon na eh. Sabi na, sige na. Kasi yun yung, you would always like this na, of course, very effective naman yung mga drop balls, yung mga swipes, paminsan-minsan. Pero yung pag-atake, yung runs, yung arbalits, full swings, you go for it, you're trying to go for it.
Tsaka yung steady diet, dapat mas marami yun.
Correct.
Tapos pa,
You just read the defense, pag kailangan talaga, drop ball na lang, then go for drop balls. Hindi pwedeng palagi.
right. Good reception by Cortez. Oh, great attack by Meta Tunay. Naibalik ni Lazaro, but a net
Net violation. Sayang naman naman yun. That was a spectacular dig by Denten.
It's a great set by Cabanos and a great swing there. Nahuli si Morente. Aumiro.
For Lastimosa.
Ito yung laptop.
2015, sorry, 21-15. Morente serving for the number 3 team in the Final Four bound Lady Eagles. Timeout USD, pakinggan natin si Coach Oji.
Ano yung trabaho mo? Hinabla ka na? Basahin niyo kung kanina ibibigay. Nakikita mo naman. Ano mo naman sa big, di ba yun ang priority mo? Pag-release na ng maker, baba ka, side step lang. Nagdo-double block tayo, kaso pwede pa kami mamerong, gumala na ang pamero sa pagitan ng lahat.
Kung yung camera,
Very
ito yung
entertaining way of putting it. Well, oo nga naman, dalawa naman yung block sa akin. Sobrang laki to.
Parang, ano ba yan? Magkabalagtaw.
Paglayo na sa libre.
Again, it defeats the purpose eh. But you give the same effort. Yun yung masaklap dun eh.
Genta.
Hindi yan. Baka manalo pa. 16-20. Pag nakamali yung kalaban,
22, 16.
Ayan, si Coach Oji really standing up and saying, read the opponent who is in front. Sino bang priority sa block? Combination three. Lalo ganito ang USD. Only one blocker from USD. Ateneo takes a point once again.
We don't see a lot of combination plays this year. Not even from the champion team. Diba, when you think about the Lasal team, diba, ganun din. Hindi naman sila mag-combination, ano?
Pero natin sa Saturn.
Libero na.
Diba? Ganun din yung nangyari sa Ateneo towards the end of last
Ganun naman
year.
dapat.
Diba?
Kailangan there's something to
Surprise.
yes. Otherwise, well scouted ka sa mga kamay sa second round.
And now, Shannon Balak comes in. And nabas ko na si Jessie De Leon. And Ella De Jesus serves at set point.
Sa akin yung mga sarili dito. Nagkamali yung sa
Alright, so Pablo Estimosa with that point. As we take a look at it once again.
Pinapagod na yan, no? Para may pang-safety pa sila, no?
No room for error. As a rotation error is called by the second referee, Coach Tai, wondering what?
Okay. Nung nag-start yung play, mukhang nasa labas pa si Alay sa may paa or maabang sa linya. Kailangan kasi lahat kayo nasa orange.
Yun ang
In
rule.
the zone.
It's out. Yep.
Was wide for Eliza Valdez.
A couple of errors here have allowed USD to creep back a little bit with Shannon Balak serving. Morado. Aumiro. Rejected.
And that was well read by the defense of USD. Parang pasag-pasa na kay Ahumiro ang ibibigay yung set na yun. That's why this time USD getting the point of that offensive block.
Kinakabahan pa sila.
Lima, binigay.
Yeah,
Gano'n daw. Yung bunot, diba? Nagpatid.
Yeah.
1 more point for Ateneo.
Yeah, but
4 straight points for UST.
right.
Hindi pumasok.
Palek just sending it across. Oh,
That's the point.
Tapos,
Timely timeout by Coach Tai. So, no repeat of what happened in the first meeting na nagpalitan ng sets, but that doesn't mean UST can't lead the Lady Eagles. Back in a moment here at the arena in San Juan.
on attacks ng USC Tigers, 16 attack points in that first set, 3 blocks ang USC. Again, no, ganda na naman ng blocking sana, pero ang dami pang nasasayang. Diba? Ang dami pang nasasayang. And service ace for Ateneo. And yung errors here, you can see USC with 5, Ateneo even having more. But ang USC, they're not able to capitalize on those errors of Ateneo. Sayang naman. So yun na nga, yung mga little things na yun nangyayari sa USC. Oo, napag, ano mo, patong-patong yun naman.
As we know, one error here, one missed block there. That's already 2 points.
Right, it's a right point system. Ganun talaga. So sayang, because the effort is there.
Third set.
champion kayo lagi.
Palit mo yung score.
Exactly.
Pag sinervis mo pala, oh.
What they don't
Diba, pag service mo, hindi na bumabay din mo.
Wala na talagang magagawa. But it's the first point. Sige lang.
Eh, gamit,
Sabi nga niya
elementary pa
kanina,
kami,
diba,
high
sabi
school,
ni Chris
pinakalaban
lang
mo
laban.
practice na namin sa high
Coach
school.
Ochi just wants to see that
Kaso nga
attitude.
lang, hindi kami pinapaluan. Mga high school, hindi kami pinapaluan.
Chance
Yung papaluan kami.
set.
Yung ganyan.
Pero si Pig, pumapala na talaga ba?
Side of USC, overreaching violation.
Hindi natin si Kiefer.
Laki
At
kasi.
si Nicky Valdez. Nanonood.
Ay,
Yan, isa na
Pagkalaban ng mga high school, hindi yan pinapapaluan.
Pantay. Rooting for their respective schools.
Kami pwede pumalas.
Watching us on ABS-CBN Sports in Action. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Bet the 9 block of the set up to 97.5% feminine wash. For red days, it's better to be protected. 3-0 right away. 3-1 off a good attack. Nalatunan. Kailangan mabuhay sila dito. Kasi pag bumitaw ng Ateneo dito ng maaga, mukhang matidemoralize to eh.
that's right. And you have to remember, 2 sets off ng Ateneo. So momentum is really on their side. So kailangan natin makuha kagad na USC ngayon pa lang. So umpisa pa lang nito.
Gambando na.
Yes, sit back. Jesus was there, but this again, through the block, and it's out.
Wide for Eliza, but you can see her adjusting. Diba? Yung kanyang spike.
Let's check out Serena Nagdag from the Ateneo side.
Yes, and mostly the goal of the Lady Eagles coming into this set is target the ball in their opponent's weak spot. Sabi pa nga ni Dan Lazaro na hindi daw lahat ng players ng UST ay nakaka-receive kaya dapat daw doon ilagay ang bola. Now, on top of this, Coach repeatedly told the girls that he wants to see strong firm arms when receiving the ball. He also encourages the girls to set the ball higher in order to bring the execution of their spikes and hits with full power. He believes setting the ball high is key to stronger counterattacks. Boom and Mosey.
Selena, strong, firm arms in receiving, going for the back. Oh, for
Power tip, Cortez.
Nagulat si Pagnomon. Saan ang galing yun? Sabi niya. This great attack, but a better dig, and then a smart quick move by Cortez. Suzuki drive to the win play of the game. Suzuki's hook desire, all your desires will come back to Suzuki way of life. Door-die game for UST.
Glory ba? Glory ba nga din?
All of a sudden, they're up here after being 3-0 down. They're up 4-3. That's a lift.
Yes, that's right. It's a lifting violation against Pagnomon.
Is that the fault of the setter, Mosey, or was it Pagnomon's decision to...
Yes, kasi yung reaction niya, pwede namang dalawang kamay ang ginamit. Or syempre mahirap kasi she was really going for yung approach niya na for a spike.
Stayed too long in their palm.
Doon ay committed na siya for the spike.
Good coverage by Lazo, which sets up this
Yes.
one. Oh,
bukas pala.
Salamat sa able to dig that very far quick hit of Eliza Valdez.
And it qualifies as our Wishy-Owa moment of the game. Moment of the everyday surprises.
Siguro makapapalo.
4 serving 5.
Hindi siguro yung bracket.
Great
Ito
set.
na yung siguro.
Lazarus there. Wow.
Hindi siguro yung
One
bracket.
second.
This game.
Your thoughts on her better maturation here in the
Kasi
UAE?
wala pa rin.
Remember how she started when they decided to make her the libero under
Kahit yun ang mabalik yung dati, hindi ka kahit
years ago.
nakapalo mo kami.
Very shaky libero. We've seen moments that, you know, parang iba, question
Lalo na in big games.
ay, question na. But this year, wow, she has come on strong.
You know what's different? Because this year, she's the only libero. Diba? Wala ka nang asa.
Alternate.
Walang alternative.
Sa sobrang
It's
May lasa.
embracing your role. Diba? In-embrace niya yung role niya. It's going to be her
Madam
anything.
Sen.
It's
Ano yan?
really effective for Ateneo.
embrace niya at nasasaktan ng lahat.
Oo, naglalaro pa rin, di ba?
Pulo na. Sabi ko eh.
And
Nandun
I
na
know
siya
there's
eh.
so many of our stars, whether they're playing now or playing in the past, when I, chat with them and I ask them, what's your dream position? They'll say libero. The best attackers, the best centers are saying,
Challenge kasi. It's the most challenging role.
Compester din yun.
Goals, they process the blockers. Alright, Ateneo getting that point.
Hits.
Pamela Estibosa. She gets the right set. Pretty hard to stop.
Parang sa naman lagi yung
Power, she can go down the line, she can go diagonal. Vanessa serving tighter third set here. Red head check, but it bounces out. So, technical timeout, 8-6. Ateneo up by 2. Think about this. A refreshing drink that's packed with vitamin C. Something delicious that helps boost immunity. More schedules for you. Friday of the month one. Valentine's Day.
Wala ka naman eh.
Adamson. Steve. Ating game of the week. 2 p.m.
Okay na
Friday,
pala.
Valentine's Day.
Wala eh, pag nag-hard ka lang.
Gusto mag-dependo, pero
Tubig mo.
okay pa rin na game. Pwede dito. Chips lang yan.
Adamson. No love lost between those two teams.
Sabi nga nila,
Yes. We've
bakit tatlo lang tayo?
great games on our
Kumbaga,
game.
lahat yun, di ba?
Great. They deliver. The schools have delivered.
Parang you expect them, hindi naman every game is televised them. But
That's right.
Kaya, yun na nga, nag-deliver naman yung mga choices.
All right. Speaking of quick occasions and celebrations, happy birthday to our very own Malu Derry. Virgilio Home Pascual.
Uy,
Happy birthday. Okay. Punta naman tayo kay Cristel Bachelor. USC and Ateneo are tied at 8-all. Cristel, go ahead.
you know what, women music, there were a few times during the recent huddles that Coach O.J. Mammon was left with no choice but to just shake his head out of frustration when telling the girls you don't really know. The statement was evident with how the girls still keep on targeting Ateneo's libero, which is Coach O.J.'s most important request to them. Also, he noticed the girls are really nervous, perhaps only having an audience watching them as compared to how tremendous they are doing in their practices. Naglag pa ni Coach, si Banan ng nose of down, huwag matatakot sa Christine. Yung pinakita raw nila sa second set ay hindi nila normal na galaw. Alam daw ni Coach na may kaya makibaga ang kanyang kupunan. And Rosie,
Maraming salamat, Cristel.
Gusto pa ng target ni Coach OG si Degen.
Oo. Goes out. But I like where we're at right now at 9-all.
Kaya,
Sabi mo, wala ako.
Pwede ka
Kumbaga you still feel USD here.
Right.
oh, wala ka ba rin nice?
Meron ako ka-Valentine si TJ Manoto.
Ang sweet.
Regular kong ka-Valentine every year. And so,
Ang sweet niya naman dalawa.
we will be on, I think, still in the plane by that time. Shannon Palak will be attacking. Jesus makes something out of this. Good reaction there. Sends it over. Dances
Jessica.
back to her.
And she does. So she takes it quick, speedy, open in.
It's Mitsubishi Mirage G4, great play. Mitsubishi Mirage G4, expect more from the small sedan. 10-9, so here in set number 3. Pinigay naman ang puntos sa USD.
Yan yung ang nangyayari sa US. Bibigyan pa sila ng opportunity. From this game, diba? Nagkaroon pa ng Berry. So, siguro dapat huwag din nagpabayaan.
Good find by Palek. Oh, that one is overreaching.
Overreaching violation called.
Wala na may ganito.
Nakasama ng mga yung braso.
It's an air.
Okay. Well, kasi pwedeng 100.
Pwede, kaya nga.
Ako po!
Sunuran eh, no?
Abella Tunay right into the blockers of
Good
Ateneo. Look at this one, that was well read.
Saran tiptoeing by the bench. Serve.
Tinulak pa ng mga pa.
Remember,
Kinabasa.
meron siyang tagal siya sa service line na yan.
Oo, tama ka. First set,
The first set. And she was targeting Carmela Tunay, if I remember this right. Oo, kanina, the first set.
Another combination play, that's out.
Out, no touch. USD point.
This is a time na kailangan kumapit ang USD. Hindi sila pwede magpaiwan dito. Very important segment of this set.
Seems this time adjusting and getting it.
And first referee is going to talk to our linesman here.
Yes, that's correct, but it's a check ball. A check ball, that's the right ball.
Hindi nga umangal si Coach Ozzy.
Look at this once again. Because I was going to say pa nga na, look at Ella adjusting to the next attack. Kanina kasi over, di ba? Yung bola niya, long ball. This time adjusting, using
Nice.
numbers. Diamaneses.
Very nice. Diamaneses putting it away. Perfect timing on the set. 12 serving 14. In front. Coach Oji, Napaleo.
Alexin, Caballo, Nacho.
What to expect?
Pero dapat tayo si Coach Oji because look, he has two new players in front for him in a very important game.
Talo na tayo!
Starting this set with the service errors, you see Tajima now in.
Kung mag-aral sa atin eh.
15 serving 12. Coach Tai giving chance to Tajima. Cut shot by Cortez, easily taken by Valdez. She gets it back, and it's sent back. It's a point.
Right, and once again, nagiging effective talaga yung block nila pag magdidikit sila if they reach the offense well on the other side.
And you know, porsentuhan nila. Mga nagdadala para sa atin. Isang karamihan na
That's right. Isa pa yun. Yun lang naman yung hinahanap ni Coach Oji. So, you know.